So this is our Magical Girl Detective game. You're going to solve magical crimes using magic. We have combined basically Ace Attorney gameplay and bullet hell, like Toho-style bullet hell gameplay. You're going to be collecting evidence and using it to shoot down witnesses' false claims in order to find the truth of the case.
Amazing. How big's your team?
Our team is 5 people.
And what engine are you using?
We are using Godot.
Godot. Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. And what if people are excited? Can we wishlist it?
Yeah, we have a Steam page that you can wishlist the game at, and we are getting relatively close to being able to release our first chapter as a free demo, so it's coming soon. Our Apprentice, Dazzling, Danmaku Detective.